S&P 100 index above the 200-day simple moving average, coming back up to that resistance. There'll be another one right in here as well. So that's going to come right there. And then here's the top end of these resistance levels. The point that we would like to make is that the S&P 100 index is above its 200-day moving average on a gap. It wasn't like you bought and sold through that 200-day moving average, because you didn't. And you have a 3-day buy signal. We have all alerts out up here approaching that last resistance top and a macro period on the S&P 100 right there. So resistance 1 and 2 into this pocket, then you break through, you got your upper area. It's very important that people are updated and understand the S&P 100 and where that daily is, because if we break through these tops, we'll go up to the higher level. Once again, the participating companies in the S&P 100 are right here. But we're going to start earnings in January of 2012, and we see a lot of these S&P 100 companies, as good as they have been, are going to have a contraction and a slowdown in the OEX and the S&P 100 companies in the next couple of quarters going in 2012. Info at stockmarketfunding.com. Stay tuned for that one, folks. Oh yes, once again, we call it before the fact, not afterwards. And let me tell you right here, right now, during the earnings season, they're coming down in price. I don't care about, oh, things are cheap. No, they're not cheap. Growth is not the way it is. GDP came in at 1.8%. What I'm saying is it's going to take a couple of quarters of lower earnings in 2012 before we ever can get to a sustained bull rally on the S&P 100.